मडगांवा प्री मन्सूनाच्या कामांक अजूनय सुरुवात जाल्ली ना। नाल्यान सगळो कचरो साचला। पालिकेन हातून लक्ष घालचे म्हण मागणी थळावे करतात। आडिस्कुवा खातीर मडगांवच्यान मंदार नाईक।
I am right now here at this Nala in the old market, very close to Soza Bakery, which is connecting the main thing to the outlet. This I've been observed that the municipality has still not started the pre-monsoon work, and this Nala needs immediate cleaning, because if this Nala is not cleaned, definitely the water will. There are chances of the water going at the road level. It has always been said that the municipality will do pre-monsoon cleaning, they will do this, but this time it has not been done. Therefore, I request the Margao Municipal Council and the Chief Officer, Sri Taude, to immediately deploy the municipal staff to get this Nala cleaned, because this is very important. This is the main Nala that is connecting the water from old market away from the city. Number two, it has been observed that the land filling at the western bypass from Nuve, Benauli, Mongol, right up to Naveli is going unnoticed. The filling has been going. The filling has been going regularly, and in the past also I had requested the previous government that this land filling should be stopped, because if this land filling goes without any control, then there are chances of the area, the low lying area being flooded. I request the present government, that is headed by Sri Manor Parrikar, whom everybody claims that he is one of the best chief minister Goa ever had, that he should immediately take cognizance of this western bypass, the filling of the western bypass, stop the mud filling, get this western bypass. It's a need of the hour, but it should be on stilts to avoid flooding of the low-lying areas. And I'm sure if the land filling is not stopped, then people from Nuve, Mongol, Benauli and Naveli will definitely face floods, and then it will be too late for anyone to say, oh, that we should have taken precautions better than cure.